Hello friends, let us now learn about the different cranial nerves and their parasympathetic innervations. Right. So here the parasympathetic fibers, see we have almost 12 cranial nerves. But all the cranial nerves does not contain parasympathetic fibers. Parasympathetic fibers are mainly present in the 3rd, 7th, 9th and 10th cranial nerves. That is, they are present in oculomotor nerve, facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve and vagus nerve. So if you see the parasympathetic fibers of, this is the oculomotor nerve, this is the parasympathetic fibers of facial nerve, then this is the vagus nerve, this is the vagus nerve and this is the glossopharyngeal nerve. So all these 4 nerves contain the parasympathetic fibers. So this is one thing which you have to remember. And if you see, the oculomotor nerve gives a parasympathetic fibers to this. This parasympathetic fibers is through ciliary ganglion. The oculomotor nerve gives parasympathetic fibers to ciliary ganglion, and from the ciliary ganglion it supplies the eye. Then if you see, the facial nerve will give parasympathetic fibers. They will pass through pterygomaxillary fossa, and in the pterygomaxillary fossa we have pterygopalatine fossa, we have pterygopalatine ganglion. This pterygopalatine ganglion will give post ganglionic fibers to the respective glands, especially the lacrimal glands. Then we have the parasympathetic supply from the glossopharyngeal nerve and the vagus. It goes from the glossopharyngeal nerve and the vagus, it goes to submandibular ganglion and it supplies the submandibular salivary gland. Whereas from the facial nerve, it also gives one more branch. From the glossopharyngeal nerve, it gives a branch to otic ganglion, which will supply the parotid gland. So anyways, we will learn about each cranial nerve in detail, but these are the schematic diagram of 3rd, 7th and 9th and 10th cranial nerves, which shows the parasympathetic innervation. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.